Envelope. I am so excited to unbox my winter DecoCrated, and as always, look at this thing. It is super heavy too. On the top, I don't know if I've ever showed y'all this. It has DecoCrated Curated Home. Oh my, it's finally here. Woohoo, hooray, this is exciting, let's do this. And then it says, what's next? Open, DecoCrate, share. So that's exactly what we're gonna do today. We're gonna open the box. I'm gonna show you how I swap out my stuff in my house, and then I will share it with you. So let's dive in. On my last unboxing, I noticed a few of you guys comment and say, I can't see the value in it. I could run to insert whatever, Ross, Home Goods, etc., and buy more stuff or different stuff for the same cost. And I wanted to talk about that a little bit today because I accepted that challenge and tried several times to go up and buy the equivalency of stuff that I found in this box. And not only could I not get it for the cost here, I was spending much more on the same products and getting distracted and buying even more stuff. So I'll dive in and talk about that throughout. But I did accept y'all's challenge and I did read y'all's feedback, and I wanted y'all to know that. Okay, so on top is always this little guy. And inside this guy has a couple of things. It always has a card. This little card is double-sided and has just two different pieces of art you can pop in a frame and put on the shelf. Super, super cute. This side says Winter Essentials. Isn't that cute? And the other side says Cold Night, Good Books, Hot Chocolate, Soft Socks, Cozy Sweaters, and Winter Memories. So what I will do is, one of these I will display through the month of December to maybe midway through January, and the other one I do the other half of January through February. And it takes me through the entire quarter with just this one card. Then this guy talks about the contents inside. I never look at this at the beginning because I want to be surprised, but today I'm breaking my rule because I want to share something with you that takes me back to the pricing thing I talked about earlier. Everything in these boxes, you cannot buy it other places. This is the designer for this month. Her name is Katarina Font. She's in Miami, Florida, and she's an artist. So she was involved in the designing of everything in here that was custom designed and created for this box. So you are getting custom things, not the same things that when you go to Home Goods, that 1,000 other people buy. So there's point number one, which is a pet peeve for me. Whenever I go to all my friends' houses and they all look the exact same, and I can tell you exactly when and where they went to get it. It talks about the pieces that are inside the box. I'm gonna try not to look at that because I want to be surprised. And then it talks about how to use the pieces. So that picture that I just showed you here, here's how they recommend displaying it. So if you are not creative, like getting this and having to figure out what to do with it stresses you out, don't worry, it's here. And they have a few different groups, and I put it on my phone because I knew I would forget. In their community groups, they have the DecoCrated's, which is Deco and the other half of creators. They have Deco Hacks, or hashtag Deco Hacks. And then they have the DecoCrated Marketplace. And I am going to link all three of these so that you can go click and play around. But if you also are not a natural creative and want to just steal the ideas other people's are putting out in the community, you can totally do that. As well as, I decorated my whole house. I made it like 3 weeks and was ready to change everything. So I jumped on there and just stole a bunch of people's ideas. Okay, so you pull the tissue off, and there are a bunch of boxes in here. So let's start opening. It feels like air, obviously. It's not. Oh, how cute! Okay, so obviously this is like a mail holder, a letter holder, but I totally envisioned florals coming out and falling down from this. Although this would be pretty cute to do like letters from Santa, to and from Santa here in the house for the girls. Here we go, see? I'm one of the ones who gets these pieces and can think of about 1,000 different things to do with them. And I am one of the ones who, as I do the different things, post on those groups and say, what do y'all think about this? Or what are y'all doing with that? This is super, super cute. And it's really made of tin. It's not the cheap plasticky crap. That's exciting. I love that. All right, let's see what's in here. Pillowcases. Okay, so that's the other thing. You're gonna wanna go and grab yourself 2 pillows. I'll put in the bio below, the ones you can order on Amazon that fit these. Just buy yourself 2 cheap Decorated's pillows, because every quarter they send you double-sided pillowcases that you'll just swap out each and every time. Does this look a little familiar to you? This is so cute. So the other side's solid red, which I love that both sides are cute because I have kids. So when the pillows get put back on the couch, we never know exactly what we're gonna get cozy with it. This is really cute. Now I feel like I should order a sweater that looks like this. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, so there's another one of these. Let's see what's in this one. I think the side facing me is cuter than what y'all got. Isn't that cute? So the side y'all got says, there may be no thing greater than a life well loved, which is such a cute saying. And I'm down for that. But I love this. I love this. This is so, 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 so cute. We got a cute little thing going, y'all. I like it. I like it. So in here, you'll see we've got a whole lot more boxes. You'll see this one down here marked empty. See, they know. They're good. They don't waste our time. Pull this out. Toss that guy into the recycling bin. Also, I don't know about you guys, but normally I take these and I go throw them in the recycling bin. But I will not be doing these because it is nearly Christmas and I'm gonna need every single one of these for Christmas gifts. So I feel like I'm getting a bonus in boxes. Now I'm not gonna have to go buy boxes this year, which is pretty dang exciting.
These are so freaking cute. There's 3 of them. Oh my god, this last little guy. Look at him! You guys, these are so cute.
These make me feel so, so happy. I love the colors too. And my youngest daughter's favorite color is all sorts of teal. So she is gonna freak out. Oh, I better move those over a little bit. I'm gonna knock it over. Those are so cute. And yes, they're glass. All right. These colors, I love these colors. Ooh, this is extraordinarily soft, y'all. Very, very soft. Throw blanket, and a big throw blanket. So here's half of it. It's a big one. It's a curl up, get cozy one. Look at that with the pillowcase. Wish I could, can y'all like see that? There. And we'll put this here. This is so great, and look. Y'all, this is so cute. Okay, I think we got 2 more boxes inside here. What is this guy? Hey. Well, there's a bunch of them. These are cute. Are they little ornaments? This one has a gift on it. This one says peace. This one says joy. No one has a snowflake. I mean, my instinct is my daughter and I, my 5-year-old and I, made a garland out of the large red oak acorns from our backyard that I wanted to put on our Christmas tree. And those hanging with these would be so cute. Like, I could do a natural wood Christmas tree. I doubt I make it past Thanksgiving. My whole house is gonna be Christmas before Thanksgiving. I swear, I try not to be that person. I mean, if we break down the value on this, I think it comes to like $10 an item. So think about that, $10 an item. You fine folks are not gonna go find a tray this cute for $10. You might find a pillowcase of this quality. You might. You're definitely not gonna find a blanket of this quality. You probably could find this and maybe a couple of these items. I don't know about those. I'll run the numbers on it. But this is stinking cute. I mean. I'm gonna decorate. That's so cute, y'all. Okay. So, go back to this little book. Now that I know what's in here. The Winter Pillow, Not Your Grandma's Ugly Sweater Collection. That is a very good name for that. The Tabletop Sign, which is this guy. And of course it has all of these super cute styling tips. Time to Bundle Up with the Woven Throw, which is the guy behind me. The Holiday Tray, which is this guy, and look, they show ways to style it, whether it's in the kitchen or in the living room. The ceramic trees, I call them glass ceramic, my bad. They're super, super cute. That might be my favorite item. And then the metal envelope, which is so perfect for the pink envelope. This magazine is so great, y'all. And, oh, wooden tags. So I envisioned this, but that would be a really good idea to put them on gifts. I like that a lot. Okay, so I'm totally going to be posting because they do reshare our photos and you have a chance to get it printed in the actual magazine, which is cool. You also can have your stuff, they'll reshare it on their wall. And I did have a couple of my things reshared this last time, which was pretty exciting. Just make sure you tag them in hashtag. And then I do have a coupon for $10 off one quarterly box or $30 off an entire year, which then makes this a stinking killer deal. I'll link that up as well. You guys, thanks for unboxing DecoCrated with me. Thanks for hanging in there. I really do want to encourage you guys to hop on and check them out. If you are looking to up your decorating game, and I know it's just not really easy to trust somebody else with that element in your life, but as you can see, they're picking the trending colors that are most popular, so you're not gonna get some rogue, off-the-wall type thing. Each box has a value of over $200. The individual box retails at $79.99. Plus, you can get on and now do their downloadable content. I have spent so much time digging around in Pinterest trying to find that perfect printable, and I haven't had to do that in forever. I've been hopping on the site and downloading and printing it. So when guests come over, I have these cheap 11 by 14 frames that I can pop different art into, and it makes me look so cool, and like my decor is so curated per event, and they have no idea. It's like 5 seconds a time. So there's my holiday tips and tricks for you. You guys, I love you. Y'all are awesome. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas, and we'll see you guys later.